Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I'll show you how to clear a copyright claim from a YouTube video. So let's get started. So I have a video right here that I just uploaded and is being processed at the moment. In the text tab, you can see this error icon, which indicates a copyright claim. I've also received an email from YouTube stating the claim with some additional details. Alright, let's see what it is. And it's a music file that I've used in my video. Now there are a few ways to fix this. You have the option to trim out the portion of your video where the copyright content is being used. You can replace the audio file with some free music provided by YouTube Audio Library. You can mute that portion of your video. And lastly, you can upload the license of the content if you have a premium subscription to use that particular material. As I used a premium music from Envato Elements, so I'll go with this option and upload my license. These options are not acceptable for clearing the claim, so my dispute isn't based on the above reasons. Next, I'm gonna choose the license option. Click continue. I definitely have the permission to use this content. And here I'm gonna copy the license of the music file. And paste it right here, simple as that. These statements need to be checked, and finally I'll put my signature. Click on submit. And it's sent for review. If they don't respond within 30 days, then the claim will be released automatically. And I just received the email after 30 minutes saying that the copyright claim has been released, so that's a good news. That's how you clear a copyright claim from a YouTube video. If this tutorial was helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making more helpful videos for you and provide you more solutions. If you have any questions or feedback for me, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.